When traveling in Thailand on a budget, one thing that you cannot miss out on is its mind-blowing street food. Get ready to experience some of the best dishes you would ever taste in your life when you hit the streets of Thailand. From Phuket to Chiang Mai and all the way to Bangkok, it's never too hard to find a street food stall that cook up the usual Thai staples like pad thai, tom yum, and mango sticky rice. Thailand is abundant with farmers markets and wet markets with fresh meat, fish, vegetables, and fruit. Most street vendors have easy access to these markets, and you always get fresh ingredients in all your street food dishes. A typical street food dish in Thailand will cost you anything between 20 to 70 Thai bahts depending on the area. If you're visiting Phuket, make sure to check out the street food scene in Patong Beach and Bangla Road. Usually you'd find really cheap and filling street food all around. Most street food joints will also let you bring your own beer. Also, don't forget to check out the night markets in Phuket Old Town. You will find some really interesting food served by hundreds of vendors. From noodles to pork chops to countless types of food that you'd probably have no idea of. Just go with an open mind. If Chiang Mai is in your travel plans in Thailand, make sure to try out the famous khao soi and check out their all-you-can-eat Thai-style barbecue restaurants. There's surely a bang for your buck. With Bangkok being the final destination in our trip, we surely kept the best for last. Bangkok is easily one of the top street food capitals in the entire world. The street food culture is so unique and it's mind-blowing. Plan a visit to Bangkok's Chinatown and splurge an entire evening exploring its must-have dishes. You would find a whole new world of street food here. Also check out the street food scene around Khao San Road, Bangkok's backpacker capital. Thailand is a land of exciting flavors that come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. When you visit Thailand, exploring their street food should always be in your plans. If you're a budget backpacker, you can stick to street food and spend around 200 baht a day. The street vendors are always friendly, and they won't mind a friendly bargain if you really want to. Make sure to ask the locals for their recommendations and don't shy away from making friends. Thai people always bond over food. For more tips on exploring street food in Thailand, feel free to DM us.